to our channel Simplify CS. So, in this, I'm going to start a Java programming course for absolute beginners. So, in this course, you'll be learning Java, which is from very basic. If even if you don't know any other language, or even if you're very beginner in Java, with no experience beforehand in coding, you'll be able to build your own Java applications by the end of this series. So let us start from Java. So, what is Java? Java is actually a programming language. Now, what is a programming language? So, when we say for programming language, we humans do understand each other via communication, right? We speak English, we speak Hindi, we speak Tamil, Telugu, and various different languages to say something, to convey something to another person, right? So, in the same way, we communicate with the computers, we communicate to these devices via programming language. They don't understand humanly language like English or any other languages. They do understand only binaries. So, binaries, which means zeros and ones. They do understand only zeros and ones. So, we need something some way to communicate to them. So that is where programming language comes in. So we'll be seeing about programming languages in separate video. For now, just understand Java is one of such programming languages. We have various other languages like C, Python, R, etc. So, what is Java? It is used for creating web applications, Android development, and enterprise software, and more. So, you can, with the help of Java, you can create various applications and softwares. You can write the logic, the code for backends. So, company use Java because it is reliable and platform independent, meaning you can run Java in any of the platforms like Windows, Linux, or Mac OS also. So, in case if I am writing in my Windows uh, platform and I'm sending that Java code to you and you are using Mac OS, but the thing is, these two are two different platforms, right? So if we see the Java code which runs in my system, which is Windows, should not run in your Mac OS. But Java does not do so. It is platform independent. It will run in your system too. So I will put a separate video of all these terminologies for you to understand very easily like your file. So in the next video, we'll be seeing the very basic concepts in Java. Till then, signing off.